Kene kalau kajing tip namanta gitu kiba smart ban shimanta kajing mare marathon tekan don biang kajing mare marathon haka arpundur trik jumta wanai National Sports Day 5K Fitness Run 2023 organized by Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya Shillong in collaboration with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association. Tekane kamap adab don hangne kin sedang baik na polohi yat nang tu Shanisha CRP Mengit Golf Club Latship MPS Latsanker Moro FCI MCL 15 yang shaju kut hajui starting and finishing point kan lebih po SSA Stadium Main Gate Polo Ground Shillong Meghalaya ka reporting time kedai Ndruba Gym Step starting time kedai Ndrustang katarik ban mare kedai 23 Agos Arjar Fly kategori golong open male and female dan namta ban registration philaban lai po Office of the District of Sport Officer DSO Shillong during office hour nadu ka RFR tarik hadu arsan tarik yang mana Agos Arjar Fly free t-shirt ya baro ki participan kiba yeshimanta tek tu ki pokwa ban yeshimanta ya kane gajing mare salet man register yal de pok Office of the DSO Sport Officer Shillong during office hour hakapor balong tray de sakan mau ka jing mare kan dei arpundur tarik mana Agos bat don kam man sui free free ka registration sudan kam man let man register yala de tangin ni nyeptip kuleshwon